So I normally only get cornflakes, but this works out cheaper. Are they better? 2 bags. 2 people. You know what that means. You know what that means. Bike ride. Right?
Yeah.
You know how it is? It's Good morning, it's your boy Bennett Cycling, and it's been a minute since we've had one of these. We're out on a little morning ride. Say little, hopefully it could be long. But I did feel a raindrop and raindrops, drop tops. I don't know any words. So yeah, we're actually gonna go find some climbs today. I've done before, but are pretty fun. We left the house around 5:05, so it's pretty good for getting both of us out of the house at pretty much the same time, at the right time, at the planned time. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh. The city. Diamond Island. I thought it was going to be better than that, but I guess it is what it is. Ah, look at her go. That push. Good on her. No, I was just taking it easy. Chill ride. I know what's going on. I know what's about to come. And wow. Give myself a good view, eh? Once someone's dream house. Now. My guess over here is that a boat is in port. You know, it's getting loaded, unloaded, whatever. Many boats maybe, but I've never seen it this busy before. True definition of busy. Made it on the ferry. No casualties yet. 18 kilometers in, no casualties. Whoa. Pretty not so busy ferry today. No. I don't think I've ever been on this late before. So, how was the first 18 kilometers?
So far, so good.
Any tears?
Not yet.
Well, in case you can't tell, I just had a inner tube blower, but look how massive this is. It's insane. So big. Fuck my life. Oh well. Onwards and upwards. Bang the tyre out. New tube in. One exploded tube later. Quick change. I really hope nothing else happens. Tyre's a little bit bulgy. I can't seem to do anything about it. I put less pressure on it. So my hand pump sucks. So a little life update. We're just doing probably one of my favorite things. It's called Wait for the Wife on the corner. Yo! I like how this place is called Mega City 2. And there's another one somewhere, but there's nothing here, it's just emptiness. Let's completely zoom out. You can't be Mega City 2 when you got 2 buildings that aren't even finished. There's nothing around it. Alright, haven't really made it to the climbing. Probably won't really make it to the climbing as we're trying to just do like 100 Ks to get laid back, warmed up. Just cycling, hasn't cycled in a while. So about 50 Ks now. Stop, have a coffee, and then yeah, go from there. Probably head the direction of home. But overall so far, not bad. Jeepers. Harshest hills I've done in a while. Little Lena's coming now. She's doing well. It is, I actually want to say it, it's brutal. Didn't even know it was there. I chose this route instead. I think it's less hilly. But I don't know. So I've gone the other way before and it's been brutal. You hear the sound of the bike, it's just steep. You got it! Yeah. Big up little there. Cranking it out. Big it up. Pull over. And ready for the last time. Just had a little rest. Breathers, as you do. I do. Not bad. 67. Pretty good. I'm starving though. I have tickles in my taste buds yet. And we made the break. So yeah, some tour, cold can, cookies, bikes, workaholic. We're smashing it. She's doing well. Hasn't ridden in a minute, so it's all good. Very live. Whoop. Yeah, I won't actually go into any of the gump stuff. I'm just not interested in being around 10 billion people. Sadly, not my cup of tea. Tonight, grilled cheese, baked beans, sausage, bacon, some ketchup. Was going to do an egg, but just forgot about it. Enjoy. Well, your boy is at the meeting point, and I'm just going to now wait. Is it a group of cyclists? No, it's not the ones I'm with today. Alright, I got dropped hard, but look at that. Put pissy down. When? How? When? I don't fucking know. But soon. Seems like a bad day. Well, I was actually very excited to ride on the today, but I know there was a little bit of a fast pace, but I didn't get really dropped because of my pace. I kind of got stuck behind and fucking did get to hard drive probably. And then everyone slowed down, like, the traffic on the road slowed down. And I just couldn't get over the speed everyone's going to catch up. And now the distance is just building. And that's the way it is. I guess it's my own ride today, now. No, don't know where anybody is. I'll follow the map, but no waiting, obviously. Oh, I'm actually having a serious issue. It's really slowing me down on the bike. I changed into the Frontis. Just went back to Sharam. And I understand it's a long, deep push, yeah? For some reason, every time I do it, it doesn't work. It takes like 15 attempts. Really slow down, putting all this time and energy. And then bang, it goes. What is the technique? Help. Just found a crispy 2K. You know what I'm going to use that for? Maybe a coffee. So I was joined the Toes Fika ride today. I've never been to Fika. It's a coffee shop. Meant to be not bad, I guess. Well, little fun facts. I didn't really know where it was. I got dropped. So I just kept my head down and kept following the road. And then someone rang me and oh, you're late. You're really far behind. Well, no, actually, I'm in front of you now. But I did have trouble with my gears. And I honestly had no idea where Fika is, what it is. It's a coffee shop. So, yeah, I'm gonna... Alright, everything I love. Okay, about this bike. Love new group set. Hate the fact that I'm, permanently stuck in the little ring. I hate the fact that I gave it a lovely wash yesterday, and now it's dirty again. This light here, it's very temperamental. It charges and it turns itself on, and then yeah. So, what else do I love about it? It's mine. Pretty quick. No punches today so far. And yeah, so yeah, big ass building there. Roundabout. I'm just gonna go. Yeah, wait, show this way. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and cruise over there. See if I can grab a coffee. There's a place called Wayne's Cafe. Didn't feel like squatting outside and just having a little shitty nice can of coffee. Trying the cup cafe or something like that. I can't say a Highlands, but something that just isn't like crap. And hopefully there's some outside seating of some sort. I do love the big roads here. Beautiful World Trade Tower. I guess that's on me. I didn't specify hot latte. I just assumed it was going to be hot, so iced latte. I wanted to steam my waffle over the top, but it's okay. I've been steaming it in my back. I'm really not liking the fact those rain clouds are going in the same direction I came. I'm going home. I came here with rain clouds behind me and it rained. And on my way home, it best to not rain again. I'm already feeling it. Since having a bike fit, controversial with my hips. Yes, I'm paying more attention to not rub my foot on the crank, but my hips and yeah, my hips are really feeling it, and a bit of my knee, which I don't know. Controversy. Bike fit or no bike fit. Yay, the ring. Fuck, I hate it so bad.